Hello guys, welcome back to another English class. Today we are going to study the topic and there is a question. Is there any food? ¿Hay alguna comida? Let's start. Vamos a empezar. For example, is there any fruit in the basket? Can you see the fruit? Yes, there is. Excellent. Let's see another example. Is there any milk? Can you see the milk? Yes, there is. Very good. Let's see the other example. Is there any juice? Yes, there is. Okay, now we are going to study answers with negative. Let's see. Is there any cake on the fridge? Can you see the cake? Where is the cake? No, there isn't. No hay. There is no cake in the fridge. Is there any ice cream? Can you see the ice cream here? No, there isn't. No hay. Is there any banana? Can you see a banana here? No, there isn't. No hay. Okay, let's go to work on our book. Let's go to page 95. Okay, we're going to listen and follow. Vamos a escuchar y seguir. Then we're going to trace. De ahí vamos a trazar. Let's play the audio.
Track 85. Story. The snack. 1.
I'm hungry.
Let's make a snack. 2. Let's make fruit salad. Is there any fruit in the fridge?
Yes, there is.
3.
There are apples and oranges.
Are there any pears? 4.
Look, Mom, Buddy is eating a snack too.
Okay, now what you have to do is that you are going to trace the word. Lo que tienen que hacer es trazar las palabras. Okay, the word snack, fruit salad, and pears. Very good. And activity number 3 says role play making snacks. For example, are there any oranges? No, there aren't. Are there any apples? Yes, they are. Okay, let's continue. And we are going to say see you next time and thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye-bye.